Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a normal photo into a vertical selfie strip in just a few minutes. It's no editing skills needed, and you can do this using PixVerse either on the websites or the app. Okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse, and then next you can use the web versions on your browser or just download the PixVerse app on your phone. And after that, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry about the credit, because PixVerse will give you free daily credit, so you can try this without paying anything. And once you're logged in, just go to template sections, and then in here you will see a lot of creative templates that you can use. And in this search bar, just type and then next just go to search bar and then just search for the vertical selfie strip like this, and then just search it, this one, and then next just tap on it and just tap on use template, and after that just upload the photo that you want to use. You can choose a selfie or any portrait photo that you have, but just make sure the face is clear for the best result like this. And then after that, after uploading or after selecting the photo, just simply tap on create. It will take 20 credits. Just tap on it. And then go back again and go to mine and go to image and wait for the process. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, your vertical selfie strip is ready like this. It looks so cool. The result, it looks so good. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.